What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And yesterday we covered the 2017 floating penny. Now we're going to cover the 2019 floating penny. So guys, be on the lookout for this penny. As you can see by the picture, it literally looks like Abraham Lincoln's head is floating, like it's detached. That is what you want to be on the lookout for. These pennies have the potential to be worth a lot in the future. So if you come across one of these, make sure you save this penny, put it in a holder, and get it graded, guys. You don't want to miss out on this. Currently, this post right here is on eBay, and this graded penny is selling for $650, guys. They got this graded mint state 66, and it is selling for $600. So go ahead and get yours graded if you have not already, and also be on the lookout for scams. If it doesn't look right, don't buy it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.